Imagine this. AI scans your X-ray, your MRI, even your blood test, with near-perfect accuracy. The machine doesn't get tired. It doesn't miss details. It flags conditions faster than most doctors. This is Jobs on the Edge, a Skimmy Stories series about the future of work. AI is already in hospitals. Algorithms can detect lung cancer on scans earlier than radiologists. Studies show AI spotting eye disease with 94% accuracy, on par with top specialists. For some medical staff, it feels like their expertise is being replaced. The machine doesn't need sleep. They don't lose focus at the end of a long shift, and they can process thousands of scans in seconds. But the reality is more complicated. Doctors remain. Their role is shifting. Less time scanning charts, more time with patients. They explain what the AI found. They answer questions. And most importantly, they deliver the news with empathy, something no algorithm can do. The AI became the eyes, but doctors stayed the voice. Technology can diagnose, but only people can truly heal. That's today's Skimmy story, Jobs on the Edge. We skimmy information, your noise filter. Subscribe here on YouTube, follow us for more on Instagram, and listen on Spotify or Apple Podcasts.